It's Christina, and we're at the Bell Coolidge Library. I'm sorry, we have to eat our ice cream because it's hot and it was melting. So we both got the $6 deal. And what did you get?
Well, I got the strawberry sundae with French fries and a cheeseburger with a Dr. Pepper. And you?
I got a Sprite, a strawberry sundae, and 3 chicken nuggets with, chicken strips with fries. And hey, they put them together, but I'm okay with that.
Let me tell you now, this strawberry sundae is so good. Like, the strawberries are so fresh and stuff. The ice cream is so creamy and cold.
It really is. They're full strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. We're so cold. Ooh, better get that before I fly away.
Well, I think we should just put it down because it's gonna fly away another way or another.
I'm sorry. I love sweets and it's bomb. It's so cold. It's so good. Let's get started. So, ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna try mine. I just bit my lip.
Fresh. This is good.
It really is. It's well cooked.
For real. It's not oily.
Not at all.
I was thinking about putting it on the napkin, but I was like, nope, I'm gonna eat the napkin when I can wipe my hands.
It's so, they really is like fresh. Like, they just cooked it.
Yes.
Okay. It's like crunchy and soft, and that's the best kind of fry. It's so good.
It's so good. Like, it's just so good.
Like, you can actually taste the black pepper and salt in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try my
Usually,
burger.
you can't taste that in fries, but you can taste it in meat.
Wow. Look at that.
Look at that burger. The cheese is melted. Ooh. The double patty burger. The bun is soft and stuff. Comes with pickles and all that. Look at that. Let me try it right now.
Oh, that's good. And the bun is still hot.
It is?
Yeah, it's still hot. Want to try? Isn't that good? It's like, look how shiny the bun is. This is good.
It's such a nice color.
Yes, it is.
The bun is like super soft.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's good. It's like fresh and stuff, and the patty literally tastes like they just made it. Like, it's fresh and stuff. Have you ever tried fries with your sundae?
I don't like it like that.
This right here is so good.
I'm gonna go ahead and try my chicken strips. It's hot. Like, this is all just been made. Ooh. You see that? That's not dry at all. You see? Ooh. Ooh. You want a piece?
Yep.
Go ahead, do you? Ooh.
Oh my god. Tastes like heaven.
The outside is so good.
It's crunchy.
It is. And then the inside is so soft and... Girl.
That's good.
Oh, my bad.
I don't like chicken chip, but this is really good.
See how it tastes with the little ketchup. You gotta have it by itself. Can't do it with the ketchup. It's dry. Well, not dry, but it makes your mouth dry.
That's why that's up with the ketchup in it.
The meat inside is bomb.
Yes.
Not good. Ooh.
Let's see what they're doing with the soda. No.
No?
It tastes flat. The soda is not good. It doesn't even taste like Dr. Pepper. It tastes like Coke.
No, mine is good.
Nope, it's flat. It has like, it doesn't taste like it has any acid in it. It's just
excuse me.
flat. Well, that is, no. This burger though, this is good.
It's so hot.
This is really good.
Go ahead and get a few more than fries. Oh, my bad. I'll have to wipe that up. Wipe a little ketchup off my hand and put it on there. It's good. I'm sorry. It's so flavorful.
Yes.
Oh my.
So, what do you rate the food?
5 out of 5 because it was fresh, very seasoned, just a whole bunch of flavors.
Well, I'm gonna rate my burger 5 out of 5 because this burger was really good. Everything was perfect. The fries, I'm making it 2 because it was a little cold. It wasn't that hot, but it was still good. So I'm rating it 2 because it was a little cold. The sundae automatically gets a 5. The soda, I'm gonna have to give it a 0 because it was flat, and I don't like flat sodas. So, yeah.
Mine was bomb. There ain't nothing else to say. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Well, that's it for the video.
I would like you to comment,
Like
and subscribe.
and press that bell for more notifications. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.